Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to make Snapchat stickers from camera roll. So to do that, let's head over to your Snapchat application first. So once you're there, and then just tap on this plus icon. And now go to this, now go to your camera roll. Suppose I'm going to make camera roll. And now I am going to this one. So if you just tap on here, you'll find several options. Like you'll get this scissor icon too. So tap on it. Now just border the specific place you want to keep and click on done. And now it is created as a sticker. So yeah, this is how you can do it too. Hope this video will help you out, and we will see you in the next video.